My Victorinox Retro Classic with some television test picture. Real nice. And yes, we are going to open the last package here in this home, and then we're gonna continue unboxing package in the new house. So this is the last one here. It's really good packed, so I should see if this classic can open it up, but I think they are really sharp from the factory. So let's see what I have here. I think this is really cool. Oh, cute little box. Yes. I think this is really cool. So this is a knife from QSP, and yeah, you already know it's a Parrot, but this Parrot is a little bit special. Bear knife, bear life. This is my first QSP, so yeah, bear with me. Let's see. Nice box and some certificate maybe. Okay, it's a guarantee for the QSP, and here it is. Check this out. This is my custom QSP, and this is from a Swedish custom maker, and I think it looked really cool. He had done this, he had done the thumb stud as well. Let's move here so we got some more light. I have so bad light in here. I need some bigger light. But as you can see, it's got some really nice handmade work on the knife, and I really dig it. I think it acid washed as well, and of course this is a normal QSP Parrot with a liner lock, and the scales is the model with the Micarta, and then you have this pocket clip, and it's also been custom. Oh, it's so nice. And look at these liners all the way. Cool. I really like this one. I don't know if I should have it like a EDC, because it feels so nice. I think it's a good work on it. And you see the blade here? It has like battle scars on it. That's really nice. It was some time that I have a thumb stud opening knife. So this flip, I have to work on the flip. But this should be a really good price worthy knife. I know a lot of you had bought it, and I haven't, because I don't know, it's not an unusual knife. so I haven't got it, but I think it's just around 40 bucks, 30 or 40 bucks for it in original from QSP. But then I have this one custom made, and that's really unique. So I did order one of them instead, but I think I'm gonna use it like an EDC knife, because it was not so expensive, and I really think it got some charm in it when they just made it like this custom. And I think it's a really good work on it. What do you think? And this thumb studs as well he had done, and the liner is just glittering here in the light. That's also cool. If you don't have Googled the QSP Parrot, it's a just ordinary EDC knife, really common and really good quality for the money. This has the D2 steel and of course the liner lock. If I have a good picture of it, right there. And they sell this in I think various styles and colors, and you have this Micarta scales right now. You also have the G10 scales in different colors. The blade length is 8.2 centimeters, and the total is 18.4, and it weighs like, yeah, I think they said like 90 grams, so it's a really light knife. So it's not a heavy knife, heavy duty. And you have the thumb stud, and for me, left-handed, that's nice, and for the right-handed normal people and I can't flip it with the right hand. But I can flip it with the left hand, but I need some training. But this is a great training knife if you want to just play with it, flip it around, and you can change the pocket clip from the different sides here, and of course you have a hole for a lanyard or something like that. So yeah, that's a really nice custom made QSP Parrot, and it's a little bit unusual and unique if you just look at all the videos on YouTube on the QSP Parrot. This is something else, I think. So I really like when they do a custom version of knives. So yeah, what do you think? Do you like it? I like this kind of style, a rough style on the knives. That's really nice. Yes, that was a quick view on the QSP Parrot custom made. If you have any comments or questions, comment below, of course. And the next unboxing will be in the new house. So until next time, just comment, and I see you then. Bye bye.